Hi there, my name is Nicole Perrine and welcome to my YouTube channel. We're calling the YouTube channel Hair Candy by Alabaster Jar. I am a Lilla Rose consultant and you can find my website at www.lillarose, that's LILLAROSE.biz /alabaster jar, ALABASTERJAR. You can find the link in the bottom of the channel page. Today we're going to talk about Flexi Clips. Flexi Clips are this amazing accessory that is only sold by Lilla Rose Consultants. Now, you may have been invited to a party. You may have decided that you would like to own other sizes of Flexi Clips, and we're going to talk about those today and how to get your sizing down so you know how to order. So I'm just going to go ahead and get started. A flexi clip is this amazing accessory that actually takes your hair, and instead of using an elastic that's going to pull your hair super tight behind your head, it's not going to have that same kind of tension because it clamps your hair to itself, leaving your hair healthy, leaving it damage free, and allowing it to grow without having any problems and not giving you those terrible hair migraines that we get when our hair gets too long. And especially in the summertime, it's nice to wear our hair up. So it comes in 7 different sizes. This is the extra, extra large, or the mega. Isn't that pretty? It's made with piano wire, which makes it super flexible. And each kind of flexi has a different pattern with these beautiful beads on it. You'll notice right away it has this wonderful piece here that you cannot lose. You can see that it's marked extra, extra large on the tip here. And so I love that you can't lose these. I have 5 children, and sometimes we lose things. And the clip also has these grooves on it, 1, 2, 3, 4. Some of the older models of Flexi Clips only have 3, and so you'll look and see whether the sizing is on this tip or on the end here. Okay, so this is an extra, extra large. This is for somebody who has Rapunzel type hair, a lot more hair than I do at this point. And so what I want to show you though is how this works. It actually clips and just bends, and the slotted piece just kind of slides. And what's going to happen is it's going to go over your hair and you're just going to slide that in. And what's going to happen if you have the correct volume, it's going to clamp the hair to itself, and this pin here will catch on one of those grooves, and it's going to hold your hair firmly in place. You don't have to have a lot of curly hair like me. You can have baby thin hair. One of the reasons I love the Flexi Clips is because they work for every hairstyle. My 2-year-old can wear the mini, and my 10-year-old who has hair like me can totally pull off the large. So I'm going to show you some ways you can wear these today. This is the extra, extra large, and it's too big for me. So one way that I know that this clip is too big for me is if I try to put it in a style like a basic bun, just a very simple style, it's going to fall out. So these are meant to hold your hair in place, and even though this looks great, it's too loose. It's too loose and I won't be able to go on with my day. So that's how you know if it's the wrong size. And the great thing about Lilla Rose Flexi Clips is they're actually, they all have a 90-day guarantee where if you have the wrong size flexi, you can exchange it and they will pay for the shipping. So it's a really good deal. If you have the wrong size flexi, you can actually ask them to exchange it. They will pay for the shipping and they'll get you in the right size because Lilla Rose cares that their customers have the correct size hair accessory. So that is the extra, extra large. I'm going to show you guys the extra large in my hair. And I'm going to use what's called our hostess flexi for that. This is the flexi that our hostesses all get when they host a party. And so it's got this wonderful design with a heart in it and these great shaped rose beads. Now this is the extra large. So I'm going to put the biggest volume of hair that I possibly can into that hair accessory. I'm going to start by gathering my hair into a really big, maybe like a mom bun is what we would call that. So I've just made this as big as possible. I'm going to slide that pin in, and then I'm going to slide it in here, and then that's going to stay in place and it's not going to go anywhere. And that's really the largest clip size that I can wear. It's probably even a little bit too big for me, but I can pull this off and go on with my day, not get those hair headaches from all that tension pulling my hair back, and it's giving me some nice volume. To take the pin out, I'm just going to pull, and out it comes, and you'll notice that there's no hair hanging onto this. So that's something that I love about the Lola Rose Flexi Clips. They don't damage your hair, and I don't think we realize how much we've become reliant on having these hair elastics that really damage our hair over and over and over again. And in the 1 year that I've been with Lola Rose, my hair has gotten so healthy and so strong and so long, and it's been a really wonderful journey. So we're going to go ahead and talk about a French twist. So for the large, which is the next size down, I will wear this lovely dogwood clip. I love this one, and I wear it a lot. It's actually supposed to be gold on here, and it's kind of turned to a nice faded gold because I like the patina that gets put on here after multiple uses. You can wash this off, you can get that color back. There are ways to do that, but I want to show you guys how this would work, not for a ponytail. It's still too big for a ponytail, but it would work for a basic updo. So here we go. I'm just going to take my hair and gather it down at the nape of my neck. I'm going to take my hand and make a gun-shaped object. I'm going to go around my finger here. I'm going to turn that up, and I've got the L, or the gun-shaped object, going up. I'm snagging that, and I'm twisting and pulling up into a very basic French twist. Okay, I'm going to take that large clip. I'm going to slide it under that roll, put the pin in, and I've got a very elegant, simple hair accessory, and it's going to hold my hair in place. I'm not going to worry about my hair hurting at the end of the day, and I'm going to be able to get on with my day without any problems. So that is the large. Let's talk for a little while now about base size. When I talk about base size, I talk about the size of clip that you would wear for a ponytail. The size for ponytail is determined by how many inches or centimeters is measured with a tape measure around your ponytail. Now, if you don't have a tape measure handy, if you happen to lose things like I do, a fun trick is to get yourself your cell phone cord, and you can actually measure around your base size ponytail and then take that and measure it against one of your kids' rulers. That'll give you the same dimensions that you need to know to size for your base size of a hair accessory. So I'm going to show you, I wear a medium for my hair for a ponytail, and I'm just going to go ahead and put this up into a high pony. You can do a low pony also, but I happen to like a high pony, and it's getting to be springtime, so I want to make sure to have that high pony in place. This is a Celtic knot flexi clip in nickel or silver. I forget what color they say it is. But I'm just going to grab all my hair here, put it into the hair accessory, and then I'm going to give it a nice little pull here, and I have a very nice ponytail. And it's not going to give me any hair headaches, and that's going to stay all day. It's not going to slip, it's not going to slide, it's going to do what it needs to do. I can wear this for a low ponytail as well. And so to do that, I'm just going to gather my hair down to the low ponytail. Then I'm going to take my ponytail. I like to give it a low twist, just so I know I have all the pieces. Then I'm going to put that in, slide it into place, and that's going to stay all day. It's not going to go anywhere. I can go on the trampoline. It's going to do exactly what it's meant to do. So that is really great. So that is the medium for the medium flexi clip there. Okay, so what do I do with the smaller sizes? What if I have a size that my hair in a ponytail won't fit? Well, then you have other hairstyles you can do. One of the great things about the Flexi Clips is they are all based on your hair volume. Now, volume is described as the amount of something that fits inside of something else. So I'm going to show you guys what I would do with this lovely, I think I'll use this one today, mixed metal elegant clip here. Really pretty. This is a small, so I wouldn't be able to use this for my ponytail. I'm going to show you guys why that would not work for a ponytail. Okay, you saw it worked fine for a medium, but having too much hair makes it difficult to get the clip in. Like this tip barely fits in there. It's not going to work out. So it should not be so tight that it's hurting your hands to put the hair accessory in. So instead of using the wrong size, I'm going to go up to a medium. However, what I like for these clips is now I can reduce the volume of my hairstyle by braiding or twisting or doing a half up. And that's when those smaller sizes come into play. So it's really important that you know your base size. So let me show you what I like for my own personal style is I like to do a um, a braid. A braid is when you twist your hair all together in like a plait or even a fishtail braid. And what I like to do is a basic side braid. And I'm just going to braid the pieces into a very basic, simple side braid. And if you don't know how to braid, that's okay. This is just one way to reduce your hair volume that goes into the clip. And I will be having some tutorials that teach basic hair braiding skills because I think it's something we take for granted. I had a hard time even braiding my own hair up until I graduated high school, actually. My hands are not super dexterous, and mechanical thinking is not my strength. However, I do sell hair accessories, and so I've been learning all sorts of things as I go. So this is just a very basic braid. The end of my hair wants to tangle, and I lost a curl there. We'll just leave that there. Okay, so I've got this braided all the way down. Now I could take the bottom of this and I could put a smaller clip in. What I'm going to do instead of having those tails out is I'm just going to flip this up a little bit. Then I'm going to take that small flexi clip and I'm just going to go like that. And then if you wanted to loosen those braid pieces to give it just a little bit of looseness, and there we go. That is a braid with a small in place. It's going to hold in place all day. My hair is going to look professional and put together, not like I just threw a rubber band on it. So I like that. I think it's very pretty and very simple, and it doesn't cost a lot of my time, which is precious to make happen. Okay, so you've seen the small, which is one size down from my base size, and you know I like that for my braids. And so now we're going to go into the extra small, and a lot of you probably have worn this style either in your childhood or in recent times, and it's called a half up. There are so many variations of a half up. I hope to be demoing those soon. I am trying to keep these all under 15 minutes, so we're going to do this real quickly. This is a extra small. It's called Java, and it's a little cup of coffee or tea or hot cocoa. And what I like is to use this for a half up. So for my half up, what I'm going to do, I'm going to gather my hair into two pieces in the back, and I'm just going to give it a little twist just to give it some structure. And I'm going to take that clip and I'm going to slide it underneath here, and I'm going to clip that right in place, and that's going to hold all day long. It's not going to give me any trouble. It's just going to do what it's supposed to do, which I really love. I like having my hair out of my face. It's a very personal choice, and however, especially with curly hair, getting in your face constantly is something that you battle with. Take it out. I'm just going to pop that pin out just like so. And one of the things I noticed right away with Lila Rose is that whenever I would have a half up in, no matter what, with an elastic or a claw, it just would drag hair out with it, and I don't get that problem with Lila Rose hair accessories. So we have one more size to demo, and it's called the Mini, and I'm just going to show you. This is called a simple band. It's just a very basic clip. It has no centerpiece, and I just love those. And then I've got this cute little cactus one that I like because of the green beads in it. And I just think that's really, really adorable. So to put that in, because obviously I would not use this clip for a ponytail or an updo with this amount of hair. However, everyone can wear a mini. Most women's base sizes are actually about a small and or an extra small. And so what I like for these though is they're perfect for just clipping back a little piece of hair out of your face. And you could have a match set, you could do all sorts of things. You could still do a half up with this, but this just gives you a little bit of shine without overdoing it. And you could even pair this with maybe a pony just to give you some sparkle. And so that is how, once you know what your base size is, you can go ahead and you can decide how to wear all the smaller sizes and then how to go with updos and with big messy buns. I hope this is helpful today. Please subscribe to my channel. You guys know you can find me on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and now on YouTube. And I'm so excited you're here. Please enjoy this sweet morsel today of hair candy. Bye-bye.